Lisa Moore here, coming to you from my living room. That's the joy of teaching online education. Welcome to English 102. It is our first week together. It's my goal this semester to record some videos for you each week to make sure that you are staying on track and to maybe call your attention to certain things within the lesson, answer questions. I could respond to things I'm seeing in your writing, that sort of thing. So just to kind of give us some face-to-face interactions with one another that you would get if you were taking a face-to-face class. But taking an online class doesn't mean that your instructor is a robot. I'm a real person here in my living room. And so look forward to these videos together. Okay, so we are in week 1. You're going to start with completing the orientation. Remember that everybody needs to complete the orientation by Thursday at midnight. Anybody who has not completed the orientation by Thursday at midnight, I'm going to withdraw you from the course. After you are done with the orientation, which is actually due on Wednesday, but it would be Thursday that I would withdraw you, you will move into some other assignments that will be due on Friday. So this class will actually be a Monday, Wednesday, Friday due date sort of class, but you have Monday off for Martin Luther King Day. I hope you enjoy the day off. So this week, week 1, we have due dates on Wednesday and Friday. Let's see if I could get my computer to work properly to show you those due dates. All right. Okay, you are in the instructor view. I'll pop myself back up here. You're in the instructor view, so yours will look a little bit different, but you can see that when I click on the modules button, it takes me to the orientation tab. So orientation is January 16th through the 20th. You would start with the course orientation that tells you what to expect in this course. There's a list of videos here that tell you all about the class and what we could expect to do in this class, and the video from me introducing myself. Class introductions, this is where you introduce yourself to each other, and I will throw some extra points at you if you do a video or an Animoto. This is our syllabus. Please download it. It will change throughout the semester. If I catch an error, if I need to add a date, or I think of a great way to update a policy or something, I may change it, but I'll let you know if I do so. And then you complete the orientation with the orientation quiz, and you have to score a certain amount, 16 out of 20, to be able to pass the orientation. So you may want to take notes on the orientation video, and you may want to note important things in the syllabus. Once that is all taken care of, you have access only when you finish the orientation. You don't have access to this until the orientation is complete, but you have access to the first week of Module 1. So you'll want to make sure that you start in the Modules tab and you click on every single tab. Modules Overview, Week 1.2, you have a lesson on understanding research, another lesson on getting started with the research process, and then we have a class discussion about personal freedoms. So that's what we could look forward to. Do make sure that you purchase access to the McGraw-Hill Connect textbook. There's no physical textbook. Everything is online and it is interactive, which some people love and some people less than love. We'll talk more about that in future videos. I sent out a link to the McGraw-Hill Connect textbook for our class in my introductory email through Canvas. I sent out the proper link to section 13020, but I sent out an improper link to 13019, and then 03019 I gave you a follow-up email saying, whoops, here's the proper link. So make sure you get your textbook, do the orientation. I can't wait to meet you all and work with you this semester. All right, see you later.